qué está? Venga.
It's stupid how I do it, knowing everybody knowing that I'm sewing up the game, destroying like they hate me for it. Eventually, see they can't be in there with me, they join. I was sworn under oath, vanished, left completely stoned. Until lies get cut, nigga kick rocks. You never did blend in with the big shots on the bass track. Ain't no need to no kick stop. I just laugh at nigga wishing they were this hot. Cause they mad at me, huh? Really pissed off. Zeta that pissed on. I'm the Jason, you the Flintstone. Catch me in the end zone. High step in prime time. Thought you niggas been known. Ain't no black in my shine. Like my new Air Yeezys, you can see me in the nighttime. I get rich up living like check reciting. So call me what you want. Wanna hate? Have a nice time. While I get stupid paper, pay my domain in this
Muy buena. Buena.
Talk about some advice that sticks with you. If I should listen to anyone, tell me to stick to my guns like double stick. Get you the fucking tip. This whole feeling like a feeling like a penguin in this fucking igloo eating barnsicles. I'd rather slip and fall and shit than fall in love with you. For a time, fucking now I'll tie you in one. Bitch, you think this is some Nintendo game? I'm fucking dumb, miss you. I give you some months or I'll split some love songs with you. So here's a penny for your thoughts, but it won't buy you a cheeseburger. But nickel might just get you one pickle. Fuck it, it's all official. So blow the whistle. I gotta trust this. You is a bombshell. Gun missile like I was cussing you. Fucking cuss. You like before I rapped, I want some motherfucking stud. Slut, this'll teach you not to come from stumbling my way. But shit, I feel it like a budget. Nigga with lots of checks done. This is so
Vale.
check is a bust like a blood pressure. I don't really care what you call me. You can even call me cold. These bitches know as soon as they saw me.
Espera, espera. Ya tengo que quitar esto. Estoy haciendo.
Now never know where I'm gonna go. Still I fall like there's no tomorrow. Until it's over and it's all she wrote.
The credit roller, curtain closing, movie over with. But don't get mad at me, go blame the chick who wrote this shit. Your life will show a bitch, but she know I'm rich. That's why she give me what I want and I just throw a dick. Here I go again, I kick this shit, dividend go to pouring in. Peso, euro, yen, I'm paid, never gonna be broke again.